Good morning. 9:15 on Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2019. And it's E from MarketWizards.com and eMoneyWizard.com, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. Well, let's take a look at the markets. This is what I'm thinking we've got right now. This is the weekly, and it's keyed off of the gap. We can see that we've got the 40 back has held overnight. This is the market that won't die. We've got the 3,200, give or take, as a obviously psychology area. And again, I say let's play range until proven otherwise if you choose to trade. I suggested 94 support, looking perhaps to test the 99s. And I'm using this box 2. If you abandon the top box, then you've got to get through the next box before you can think about the bottom of the next. So we've had a 3-box move, and we've got a box and a half, almost 2 coming back. We've got a gap at 95s. So anybody playing long side coming into the open, I know you think you've got a winner all day long, and it could be, but you never know. So if you've had a couple of points in your pocket pre-market, hang on to them, lock something, and you can always trail. And this is obviously the overnight range. You can see the double 10-minute chart. Middle is 95.5, basically a symmetry move from the gap close at 95. So range trade is all we can deduce, with the idea that support has been found yet again, being protected for now. And we're testing the upside resistance level. So from yesterday, overnight high is stalling near the top of the pipe. And I think the wild card still is the impeachment. It's not like that happens every day and may have a foregone conclusion for its result, but still, you never know how things are going to play out. So all we know is tight range overnight, 7 points. I'd be very careful about overthinking any busts of the overnight range. So for now, let's say that's our resistance zone, obviously, from yesterday. This is our support zone, and it's an inside day for now. That's all we know. Still using this chart. I've adjusted it to a 15-minute chart now. We had it 10 yesterday. And we've held. So I want to give us a little more territory, a little more depth to the chart. And we'll keep an eye on the rain line. So still, I do not see this as bearish. I see it as sideways, working off that great big push. And I think it's a two-way day. $93, supportive, our angel. Demon getting tested and taken out. And I believe yesterday, 01 was the demon. So keep that in mind today. Volume non-existent. Said I think things will thin out a bit as we move along. This is a 15-minute chart. I'm going to put the 5 on for now. And we're going to keep an eye on this over, under. Nothing that excites shorts more than to see us fade at the end of the day. And then I'm going to jump in, and next thing you know, that's the low of the day, and they're shorting the low of the day. And you just want to reach out and say to someone, but wait, but guys got to figure that out for themselves. You know, you don't want to be a know-it-all. I'm going to jump in, I'm going to short. And that's the low of the day, low of the range, where we said fade these areas. Anybody's long, trailer only, coming into the open. And if you've played upside with the idea that we had found support, and now we're testing middle and testing resistance, paid for sure by the open. Got a couple of minutes left for that. Knocking out stops. Notice this 95.75 that I had talked about yesterday as the magnet still is. So until this guy right here gets beat, that's our aggressive support. Anybody wants to short, you got to be able to use yesterday's high zone as resistance. And if you get beat, take your stop out. Anybody bought the dip, paid for sure. Coming into yesterday's top 2 boxes. Predictive, we can easily see this range that we are in. Top box, just been sideways through here. Step by step. Not gung-ho longs, certainly not gung-ho shorts. Just thinking range type trading. Till we get anything new in the way of news like impeachment or whatever, it's range type trading, and the longs have the ball to drop. Monthlies. So still going to keep this 87, 88 area supported for now. Obviously range trading in the monthlies. And like I posted in the room, I still like the long side as long as we're above 92. And then look over here. Just sideways, weaving over and under our 30-minute chart. Volatility is faded. Goosed it sideways.